sing a song entitled I Love You Song. Are you familiar with this song? Yes! Okay, so please stand up and sing with me. Are you familiar with this song? Yes! Okay, I will sing it first and then later you will sing along with me. Yes. Okay? Here's how it goes. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Hope you say you love me too. Did you get it? Yes! Okay, now let's sing along. Ready? Sing. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Hope you say you love me too. Yeah, thank you for singing. Stay here. So, what do you think does this song try to tell us? Anyone? What do you think is the message of this song? Yes, Janet.
Family relationships.
Okay, another explain.
It's about the love for and care for family, friends, and loved ones.
Thank you, very good. So, besides that, does it tell something that seems to be forgotten nowadays? Does it tell something that seems to be forgotten nowadays?
Yes.
What? What do you think? Yes, Janet.
I think as for now, children forgot to even kiss or greet their parents, especially when they got home from their work or from school.
That's right, correct. So, this song simply tells us that we should appreciate the times that we are together with our family and our friends, and it tells us to value the things that we have now. Okay, so do you agree with that? Yes, I do.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with this because sometimes showing affections to the others make you feel to himself that he is worth appreciating, and that makes him feel the sense of belongingness.
Okay, thank you. So did you like the song?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody, let us now proceed to our lesson. So our lesson for today will be about a cause and effect relationship. So, are you familiar with this topic? Do you have any idea about the meaning of cause and effect? Yes, Angel. Can you please give me an insight about what is a cause?
A cause and effect. A cause is about something that happened or the reason, and the effect is the result.
Yes? Okay, that's right. So, to make it simple, cause is the statement that is showing why the thing a cause and effect relationship. So let us all read. Ready? From the title. Ready? Read.
Who loves mother best?
Oh,
Happy birthday, Mama dear. Sam, Ben, Liz, and Bess with cheer. We love you so much. We love you true. They kiss our mother, hug her too. Then quickly Ben slipped out to play and went with playmates all day. Then rushed home in time to see his sister Liz aglow with glee. For Liz held up an ice cream cone, enjoying it she sat alone. Ben grabbed the cone and slipped away, so Liz cried out, "For that you'll pay." Like cats and dogs, the two did struggle, each making sure to win the battle. Ben tried to push and then to pull, while Mama almost lost her cool. But little Bess, with Mom she stayed, she set the table, drinks she lays, and helped serve Mom's friends and guests. Now tell me, who loves Mother best?
thank you. So from this poem, I want you guys to pair yourselves into two, and you will discuss what are the things, or you will list down the events here that show the cause and effect relationship. So from this poem, you must list down at least 3 statements that show a cause and effect relationship. So put it in a piece of paper and I want you to use those statements as a guide for our discussion. So my first question is, from this poem, is why did Ben and Liz kiss their mother and hug her too? So on the first paragraph, what do you think is the cause of why did Ben, Liz, and Bess kiss their mother, hug her too? Yes, and I think.
We love you so much. We love you too.
Okay, so because Ben, Liz, and Bess love their mother, they kiss their mother and hug her too. So it shows cause and effect relationship. So another question is, why is Liz aglow with glee? So why do you think is Liz aglow with glee? Yes, Angel.
She's aglow with glee because she held up an ice cream.
Very good. So as you can see, for every statement we use a conjunction, like because, to connect show the relationship between these sentences. So let me repeat what Angel said. So this was a glowing glee because Liz held out an ice cream cone. So the reason why this is a glowing glee is because Liz held out an ice cream cone. Okay? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, another question is, why do you think from the third paragraph, why did Liz cry out for that you pay? Yes, I think.
Liz cried out because Ben grabbed the phone and slipped away.
Okay, correct. So once again, it shows a cause and effect relationship because Liz cried out as an effect of what did Ben do to her, which is Ben grabbed the phone and slipped away the ice cream cone. Okay, so next is why did mother almost lost her cool? So from the fourth paragraph, what do you think is the reason? Why did Mama almost lost her cool? Yes, baby.
Like cats and dogs, the two did struggle, each making sure to win the battle. They had push and then.
Okay, very good. So, based on what you have read, who among the three children shows that they love their mother best? So, is it Ben, is it Liz, or is it Bess? Ben, Liz, or Bess?
Bess.
Why do you think so? How did you come up with that idea? Yes, Ivy.
I say that Bess loves her mother best because Bess stayed to her mom and then she set the table and then drinks and then she laid the drinks and then helped serve mom's friends and guests.
Okay, correct. So, according to her, and of course, based on this quote, it only shows that Bess is the one who loves her mother most because she even helped her mom set the table, drinks, and of course, serve mom's friends and guests. So, for you, class, what do you think is the best way to show your love to your mother or to your friends, to your family, one by one? Let's start with Angel.
Mom, for me to show the love with my loved ones and appreciate their effort and say I love you.
Next, Ivy.
I can show my love to my mom by respecting her and then saying I love you to her.
I think I can show my love for my loved ones, especially to my
by giving them always a time and then spend it with them.
I can show my love to my mom by doing the things she wants to do.
Okay, very good. Thank you for sharing your ideas and insights about how you can show your love to your parents or your families. So once again, all in all, the cause shows why an event happened. It justifies something for why does a thing happen. So when we say effect naman, it is a phenomenon that follows and is caused by some previous phenomenon. So it is the outcome or a result of something that had happened. So, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so tatlo lang.
Di, sige, tuloy-tuloy.
Wala akong ano magawa ko sa assignment na. Kaya nila lang, video sabi rin sa akin. Ito na yung assignment na wala. Nakabito na yan. Sabat na yung lakas niya yan.
Ay, may USB ka. Ako na lang ba? Sige, ako na lang.
May daughter ka ba? May ano ko ba dyan?
Ha?
May movie maker.
Wala. Pero kailangan mo.
Dala ko naman.
May USB ka.
Wait lang. Assignment na ma'am, assignment na. Ay, dala na nga. Okay, class, for your assignment, I want you to write an essay that shows a cause and effect relationship. It can be anything about your daily life experiences or things that you like. Why did you like them or why did an event such as that happen? Okay, are we clear on that?
Yes.